Another nice day out there with a breeze today that kind of cooled it off.
Yeah, it felt nice.
Yeah, out of the north, it always brings in cooler temperatures, and we saw that, and we're going to see cooler temperatures again tomorrow to start the morning off. One thing about the time change is that we get to see the sunsets a little earlier, and photos come in a little sooner, too. Here's a look at one right now from Fred Seeger on Casey Key. Another gorgeous shot there. A few clouds around in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but not bad. And this is Casey Key webcam showing calm conditions, at least near the coast, but offshore. Winds and seas are starting to pick up, and so small craft advisories will be flying and staying with us throughout most of the day tomorrow. Well, currently we have generally fair skies, 76 degrees, the dew point 62, and the humidity the same. North winds are at 8, and the pressure is starting to rise. High today was 82. That's above average. We'll be right around 79 for a high tomorrow. 65 was the morning low, and 60 is our normal low. We'll see 60-degree temperatures, low 60s tomorrow to start things off. And it's been a very dry November thus far, and it'll stay that way too. On Wednesday, we're not expecting any rainfall here. 76 in Sarasota, cooler in Orlando. 58 or 68 degrees, 58, 10 degrees cooler in Jacksonville right now. And around our area, the Gulf water temperature at 74 and mid to upper 70s from Bradenton all the way down to Sarasota, Venice, and Inglewood. 76 in Arcadia, Punta Gorda now at 77 degrees and 75 in Cortez. So low temperatures tonight will be in the 40s in places like Tallahassee and also just to the northeast thereof, and 50 in Gainesville, 66 in Orlando. We'll be down in the low 60s here. We'll warm up into the upper 70s, so 79. That's a typical temperature for this time of year. We'll see upper 70s to right around 80 degrees. At north, the northeast wind will be a little breezy, and so it'll make it feel cooler throughout the morning, especially. Similar conditions expected on Thursday morning. Now, a stronger cold front is on the way and will be in place, it looks like, late Saturday and Sunday, cooling us down for Sunday. But no fronts around right now with that east to northeasterly wind component. A few showers along the east coast are possible tomorrow. Not much for us. And that little low spin continues to head to the south on Thursday. Now, that low pressure area is not going to do a whole lot for us. It will stay well to the south of us. And as far as the winter weather goes, well, El Nino and La Nina, different story there. El Nino means severe weather typically for the Suncoast during the winter months. La Nina, not as much, and also not as extreme as far as temperatures go. You can see this is the cooling trend that's taking place right now in the eastern Pacific. Temperatures there into the upper 60s, just to the north thereof, temperatures into the 80s in some cases, and 81 degrees you see right there. So this is a La Nina situation setting up, and what that means for us is typically a warmer winter. On top of that, a drier one at that. And this is from NOAA. You can see that blue area that indicates the anomaly there, where temperatures are cooling down a little bit. And as far as the impacts go, a cold and wet winter for the Pacific Northwest. For us, though, there you see it, drier and warm conditions expected for the winter months here along the Suncoast. So that will be, it looks like, in play throughout all of winter, all the way up until April. Now, as far as we're concerned, we're not looking at much rainfall here. As I mentioned, a few showers to the northeast, and it looks like generally fair skies there. And we'll look for a chance, as I said, for a few showers with the next front. That's not much, late Saturday and into Sunday. For boaters tomorrow, small craft advisory in effect. Northeast winds at 15 to 20 knots, and seas will be up there 2 to 4 feet with choppy conditions expected. Sunrise will be at 6:51, and the high tide will be at 9:52. Partly cloudy, breezy and cooler, 62 for a low tomorrow. Another gorgeous day here. We're looking for lots of sunshine and breezy and mild conditions. 78 for your high. The extended forecast calling for warm temperatures, at least mild through Saturday. Then we cool down on Sunday and Monday.